Mindfulness meditation is a type of meditation that involves paying attention to the present moment with a non-judgmental and accepting attitude. It is a practice that has been used for centuries to cultivate awareness, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. To practice mindfulness meditation, follow these steps. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. You can sit on a cushion or chair with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. 2. Close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze. 3. Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to relax. 4. Focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. 5. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also use a mantra or a word to help you stay focused. 6. Notice any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise without judgment. Simply observe them and let them pass. 7. Continue to focus on your breath for a few minutes or as long as you like. 8. When you are ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. It is important to remember that mindfulness meditation is a practice, and it may take some time to develop the skill of staying present and focused. With regular practice, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that can benefit your mental and physical health.